Hi, my name is Natalie Fine. I'm 25 years old. I'm from Temecula, California. I am currently bartending at a sports bar right now while I'm going through my credential program. Some hobbies that I've been interested in my whole entire life is I've been horseback riding. So I ride hunter jumper, and I'm getting into reining right now. I graduated from Cal Poly Pomona in 2016 with an agribusiness management degree. So nothing like teaching. Some professional experiences in education and other fields. Before my credential program started, I completed over 40 hours helping out in like tutoring in a third grade classroom at a Title I school in Lake Elsinore. And then last semester, I observed over 60 hours at the Met High School in 11th grade U.S. history. My current teaching assignment is at Mission Bay High School, and I'm with Mr. Jabel Anderson, and I am teaching his 10th grade world history class. And then a brief statement about the reasons for joining this teaching profession. So growing up, I actually never thought I was going to become a teacher. It was just over the past few years, I didn't really like what I was doing, and so my best friend, who has been like a diehard, always wanted to be a teacher growing up. She just got her like official teaching job this past year, and she just kept telling me like how much she loves it and how much it's worth it. And so she was the one who like really, really inspired me to like go ahead and just try it. And I've actually learned to like it. And also the thing that influenced me on wanting to become a teacher is that growing up I've always taught like horseback riding lessons. So I've always loved like the idea of like teaching and like working with children. So that also was a big influencer. So yeah, a little bit about me. Thank you.